Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Oh, today is Wednesday, September the 2nd, and Mrs. Hensley wants to read a story to you. This is called a surprise story, and every now and then Mrs. Hensley will send you a surprise story in your inbox. So I'm just chilling here on our bench in our reading center. I would go to the bathtub, but I didn't feel like going to the bathtub today, so Mrs. Hensley is going to read this. And some of these videos, these surprise stories will be from my home too. So just so you know, Mrs. Hensley is going to read a story to you. And it is called Teeny Tiny Mouse, a book about colors. The author is Laura Luke, and the illustrations are by Pat Shores. Okay, Teeny Tiny Mouse, a book about colors. Okay, here we go. Maybe you can listen to this before you go to bed. Maybe a nighttime story. Surprise story from Mrs. Hensley. You did not know that was coming, did you? Okay, here we go. I will do this so you can see this better, okay? Can you name some colors in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There are colored things in every room, and I can name them too. Throughout our teeny tiny house, I'll point them out to you. Here we go. Miss Hensley has the hardest time with this. Okay, here we go. Can you name some blue things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. Ooh, blue things. I see a blue chair. I see a blue picture frame. He has blue overalls. Blue boots, rain boots, blue cap. Ooh, and there's blue on the walls. Ooh, see if you see anything else that's blue. Do you see anything else that's blue? Okay. Can you name some brown things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a brown clock on the mantle, brown clock, and a brown rug on the floor, and a teeny tiny brown knob on the teeny tiny door. What else do you see that's brown? I see a table. You see what else you see what you see that's brown. Okay. Can you name some black things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a black pot on the table, a black handle on a pan, and some teeny tiny black beans in a teeny tiny can. So there's black beans in here. There's a handle on the pan. Let's see. Oh, handle on the pan and a black pot on the table. Do you see anything else that's black in their teeny tiny house? Can you name some orange things in our room? Can you name some orange things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a pitcher full of orange juice, orange cheese for lunch, and some teeny tiny flowers in a teeny tiny bunch. See if you see anything else that is orange. Here we go. Can you name some red things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a red bike in the corner and a red cushion on its seat. Right here on the bicycle seat. And teeny tiny red shoes for my teeny tiny feet. He's putting on some red shoes. Do you see anything else that's red in that picture? Anything else that's red? Here we go. Can you name some green things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a green plant in the sunroom. A green sweater that I wear. And green teeny tiny pillows on the teeny tiny chair. See if you see anything else that's green. Can you name some pink things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a pink hat on the bedpost. And pink lipstick on the stand. And a teeny tiny pink belt with a teeny tiny band. That looks like a belt right there. See if you see anything else that's pink. Okay. Can you name some white things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a white frame round the mirror and white handles on the tub and some teeny tiny white soap that I use to wash and scrub. See anything else white? Ooh, I see lots of things that are white there. Do you see anything that's white in that picture? If you do, you can name them. Here we go. Can you name some purple things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a purple spread across my bed, purple stripes up on my walls, and a teeny tiny purple phone for teeny tiny calls. See if you see anything else that's purple. Purple, purple, purple. Okay. Can you name some yellow things in our teeny tiny house? Said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. There's a yellow roof above us and a yellow floor below and a teeny tiny candle with a teeny tiny glow. See if you see anything else that's yellow in that picture. Okay. You have named the colors in our teeny tiny house, said the teeny tiny mommy to the teeny tiny mouse. I know the colors, one and all, as sure as I am a mouse. Do you know all the colors in your teeny tiny house? You can look around your house maybe tomorrow and find things that have color, okay? Mrs. Hensley is going to let you go now, so you can do what you need to do this evening. If you need to start getting ready for bed, it's only 7:15, but I wanted to send you guys a surprise story so that you could listen to Mrs. Hensley's voice tonight. So I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow on September 3rd. Okay, that is Thursday. Okay, you guys have a wonderful night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.